इस्लामाबाद में वफाकी वज़ीर अहसन इकबाल गैर मुल्की साफ़िन सां ॻाल्हि ॿोल करे रहियो आहे।
Party went to the extent of calling international agencies not to help the government in the wake of that climate disaster. So, unfortunately, the behavior that PTI has been demonstrating has been very unethical, undemocratic, and purely fascist. And we are reminded how in history demagogues have caused destruction to their societies. But Pakistan will not be allowed to become hostage to such politics of demagoguery or fascism. We are a democratic country. If Imran Khan feels that he has been unfairly arrested, he can prove his innocence before the court of law, just as we did. I proved my innocence before court of law. All the leaders from opposition, they contested their cases before courts. That is the democratic way. But this is no way that you start inciting people for violence. You cause destruction in the country, you cause loss to the economy, and you try to bring bad image to the country internationally. So I just wanted to clarify this, that Mr. Imran Khan does not face any political vendetta. He does not face any political victimization. He faces the accountability for his own misdeeds of corruption in which he indulged.
हर खबर बर वक्त खबर ॾिसंदा रहो न्यूज़ लाइन 1।